Hi, my name is Fernando and I'm going to explain the 5S method applied to my homework of my career, this industrial engineering. Okay, the 5S method consists of 5 Japanese words that they start with the S capital letter because the S capital letter is the first letter of the name of the Japanese person who created this method. Okay, first we have the word seiri, which means organization in English. Okay, this consists on the scenario that we create, that is my homework of the career, right? So we are going to organize all the tools and materials that we are going to use to accomplish the main objective, right? So I have my tools here and I have my materials here, and we have to get closer to that we are going to use. We are not going to use my backpack, we are not going to use my computer, so we have to get away all of the materials and tools that we are not going to use, right? Then we have the second word, which means neatness. Neatness consists to make an order of the tools and materials that we are going to use in that moment. So we have here a pen, a pencil, and eraser, and we have here a calculator, a rule, and a blue pen. So we are going to use this right now with my right hand, and this right now with my left hand. So we are saving and keeping the time. We are not spending time and stand up and bring some material that we have over there and some tools that we have over there. So if we get all closer and order and make an order, we are going to save time. Next we have seison, which means cleaning. Cleaning, it's a very obvious step, right? We have to maintain clean the workspace that we are going to use, because we have a clean table, and also we can work quickly, and we can work more comfortable, because if we have a dirty table, for example, we can stain our homework, and that we are comfortable, and that we bad presentation for our homework, right? So we have to clean our workspace. Perfect. Next we have seiketsu, which is the first step, which means in English standardization. This is a very important step in the 5S method, because we have to identify and to establish some standards, right, that we are going to obey, because if we don't obey these standardizations, we are going to fail our 5S method, right? For example, in this homework, we can establish 2 standards. We can start with the cleaning. So if we have a clean table, we can bring some soda or bring some piece of cake, because what if I spill all the soda over my homework, and I'm going to stain it, and that will be uncomfortable, right? So we have to maintain this clean. Only tools and materials here, and the food over there, totally apart. And we have to maintain the order of my tools and materials. And if I'm going to use these tools, I'm going to place it in the same place that we found it previously, right? And the materials, the same thing, because we are not going to use a pen here and then throw it away, because we are going to lose time. If I stand up and bring them back, I'm going to lose time. So that's not recommended. We have to obey the standards, right? And then we have the last one of the steps, which means discipline. The Japanese name is Shitsuke. Okay, this discipline is the most important of the 5S method steps for me right now, because if we don't have discipline, we are going to ruin all the 4 previous steps, and the 5S method we totally lost. Okay, we have to do all this with discipline. If we have a clean workspace, we have to keep it clean day by day. If we have the order of the materials and tools, we have to maintain this order day by day to a better work, to a better results, and to accomplish our main objective of the homework of my career, right? So in this consists all the 5S method. My recommendation is, if you have time and the opportunity to use it, use the 5S method with an enterprise, with your personal life, and with the sports, with everything that you can use it, because this only gets better results for you. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you.